Pluto's intricate dance around the Sun continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike, offering a window into the complexities of celestial mechanics. While its classification as a dwarf planet sparked debate and redefined our understanding of planetary bodies, recent discoveries about its orbit have reignited interest in its role within the solar system. Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku, two leading voices in the field, have raised important questions about the potential risks and scientific opportunities presented by Pluto's unique orbit. Noticeable voices in astronomy have raised worries about a potential crash between Pluto and Neptune, revealing insights into the many-sided elements at play in our vast area. Their alerts highlight the significance of understanding the gravitational interactions and orbital mechanics that govern celestial bodies' movements. Pluto's orbit, characterized by its unusualness and steep inclination, defies traditional assumptions and challenges our understanding of planetary movement. Unlike the relatively circular orbits of its neighboring planets, Pluto's path follows an eccentric trajectory, intersecting Neptune's orbit at points during its long journey around the Sun. The gravitational influence of other planets, especially Neptune, plays a significant role in shaping Pluto's orbit and maintaining its stability over centuries. Despite the turbulent nature of its trajectory, mathematical simulations have revealed hidden patterns and mechanisms that help guide its movement, preventing catastrophic collisions with neighboring celestial bodies. The three-body problem in space, involving Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun, epitomizes the complex interplay of gravitational forces and orbital dynamics that govern the behavior of heavenly objects. Understanding this complex system requires advanced mathematical models and computational simulations, which provide valuable insights into the long-term evolution of planetary orbits. Pluto's status as a dwarf planet has sparked debates about the criteria for planetary classification and the diversity of celestial bodies within the solar system. While its small size and distant orbit set it apart from the traditional definition of a planet, Pluto's significance as a celestial object continues to inspire scientific inquiry and public interest. The study of Pluto's orbit extends beyond the boundaries of our solar system, offering insights into broader astrophysical phenomena and the fundamental laws of physics. The investigation of Pluto's orbit not only deepens our understanding of celestial mechanics but also offers a glimpse into the broader context of planetary dynamics within our solar system. Beyond its classification as a dwarf planet and the ongoing debates surrounding planetary definitions, Pluto serves as a crucial case study in planetary formation and evolution. One of the enduring mysteries surrounding Pluto is its origin and composition. Believed to have formed billions of years ago during the early stages of the solar system's formation, Pluto's structure is predominantly cold, consisting of a mix of rock and water ice. Its surface features, including vast plains of frozen nitrogen and methane, suggest a dynamic geological history influenced by external forces such as impacts and internal processes like cryovolcanism. The discovery of Pluto in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh marked a significant milestone in astronomy, expanding our understanding of the outer reaches of the solar system. Initially classified as the ninth planet, Pluto's status underwent revision in 2006 when the International Astronomical Union redefined the criteria for what constitutes a planet. This decision, which reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet, sparked significant debate within the academic community and among the general public. Despite its reclassification, Pluto continues to captivate astronomers and planetary scientists due to its unique characteristics and orbital dynamics. Unlike the 8 major planets that orbit the Sun in relatively circular paths closely aligned with the ecliptic plane, Pluto's orbit is highly eccentric and inclined at an angle of about 17 degrees to the ecliptic. This orbital inclination contributes to Pluto's distinct orbital path, which intersects with Neptune's orbit, though without resulting in collisions due to gravitational influences from other celestial bodies. The study of Pluto's orbit raises intriguing questions about the stability of planetary orbits and the long-term dynamics of the solar system. Mathematical simulations and theoretical models play a vital role in predicting the future trajectories of celestial bodies and understanding the complex interactions between planets. These simulations show that while Pluto's orbit is chaotic over millions of years, it remains dynamically stable within the broader framework of the solar system's gravitational field. The potential for a collision between Pluto and Neptune, as suggested by astrophysicists Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku, highlights the ongoing uncertainties and complexities in planetary dynamics. While such an event remains unlikely due to the protective gravitational influences at play, it underscores the need for continued study and understanding of the intricate mechanisms that govern the behavior of celestial objects in our solar system. Pluto is a distant and baffling dwarf planet, once a member of our solar system's planetary family. However, recent startling declarations by leading astrophysicists, Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku, have brought Pluto back into the spotlight with a stunning discovery. They propose that this cold world could be on a potential impact course with Neptune. But how could this happen, and what might be the consequences of such a gigantic event? Are we witnessing an intriguing galactic phenomenon, or is there something more to this looming cosmic impact? Join us as we explore the possibilities of a Pluto-Neptune collision. Pluto, a former planet that was downgraded to a dwarf planet partly due to its peculiar orbit, remains a subject of interest and study in the astronomical community. According to recent predictions by leading scientists, Pluto's trajectory is dangerously close to Neptune's. Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku are both raising the alarm about a possible harmful collision between these two planets, which could pose a significant threat to Earth. But how is such an event even possible? Pluto's journey around the Sun is unlike any other planet in our solar system. It takes a staggering 248 years to complete a single orbit, meaning that since its discovery in 1930, it hasn't even completed one full revolution. However, the interest doesn't stop there. Pluto's path is marked by its highly elliptical shape, deviating significantly from the nearly circular orbits of the major planets. What makes Pluto's orbit even more curious is its inclination, tilted 17 degrees to the ecliptic plane, the flat plane in which most of the solar system's planets orbit the Sun. One of the most intriguing aspects of Pluto's orbit is its crossing of Neptune's path. For about 20 years in each orbit, Pluto actually gets closer to the Sun than Neptune, defying what we might expect based on their positions in the solar system. This leads to the natural question: why hasn't Pluto crashed into Neptune? The answer lies in the gravitational interactions of other planets. The study of Pluto's orbit began shortly after its discovery. Initially, astronomers tried to understand its unique trajectory. Unlike other planets, whose orbits lie relatively close to the ecliptic plane, Pluto's path stood out with its steep inclination and elongated shape. The mystery deepened with the realization that Pluto's orbit actually crosses Neptune's. The stability of Pluto's orbit amidst these complexities is a testament to the intricacies of space mechanics. The three-body problem in space deals with understanding how three objects, like Pluto, Neptune, and the Sun, move and influence each other with their gravity. Pluto's orbit is, in fact, chaotic. Minor deviations in initial conditions can lead to significant differences over millions of years. However, these unique properties of Pluto's orbit have been found to maintain stability over incredibly long time scales, effectively keeping the chaos at bay. Recent computer simulations have helped us understand how the giant planets, like Neptune, Jupiter, and Saturn, influence Pluto's path around the Sun. Jupiter's gravity alone is strong enough to keep Pluto on a stable course for a very long time, even billions of years. These phenomena are crucial in maintaining the order and consistency of space's movements. Without these mechanisms, the solar system as we know it would be a place of far greater chaos and unpredictability. Pluto's orbit is a remarkable example of celestial mechanics at play, demonstrating both stability and chaos within our solar system. The unique characteristics of its orbit, influenced by the gravitational forces of neighboring planets, especially Neptune, illustrate the complex and dynamic nature of space. Predicting cosmic events, particularly when they involve chaotic orbits like Pluto's, presents significant challenges. The inherent unpredictability of these systems means that long-term forecasts are often fraught with uncertainty. While numerical simulations provide a powerful means to understand and anticipate the future paths of celestial bodies, they also highlight the limits of our predictive capabilities. So why are major astrophysicists just now raising concerns about a potential collision between Pluto and Neptune, despite all these complex forces working to prevent such an event from happening? Neil deGrasse Tyson and Michio Kaku, both prominent figures in astrophysics, have expressed concerns about a potential impact between Pluto and Neptune. If Pluto and Neptune were to collide, it would be a rare and catastrophic event in our solar system. The collision would release an enormous amount of energy, likely shattering Pluto given its smaller size and icy composition. Debris from the impact could spread across the solar system, potentially creating hazards for other planets and their moons. For Neptune, such an impact could alter its atmosphere and possibly its orbit, depending on the specifics of the collision. Michio Kaku, a renowned theoretical physicist known for his work in string theory, brings a unique perspective to the discussion. His views on the future of space exploration and the interplay between celestial mechanics and theoretical physics offer deep insights into the mysteries of space phenomena like Pluto's orbit. Understanding the complex gravitational interactions and orbital dynamics of celestial bodies like Pluto can provide crucial insights for future space missions. This knowledge can help in navigating the solar system more effectively, predicting potential dangers, and even planning missions to the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond. The lessons learned from studying Pluto's orbit can be applied to explore other celestial bodies, offering a blueprint for how we might approach and understand distant worlds. When it comes to the physics of planets, celestial mechanics and theoretical physics are deeply intertwined. The movements and interactions of planets, such as the gravitational dance between Pluto and Neptune, are connected to the fundamental principles of physics. If Pluto and Neptune were to collide, it would be a monumental event in astronomy, offering a unique observational opportunity that could potentially tie into string theory. String theory, a theoretical framework in which the point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional strings, seeks to describe the fundamental forces and matter in the universe. The collision could create extreme conditions of energy and gravity, potentially producing scenarios where effects predicted by string theory might become observable. For example, the high-energy impact could offer insights into the behavior of fundamental particles and forces under extreme conditions, a key interest area in string theory. While the direct impact on Earth would be minimal due to our distance from the outer solar system, the scientific implications of such an event could be profound, potentially contributing to our understanding of the fundamental nature of the universe as described by string theory and other areas of theoretical physics. Staying speculative and exceptionally impossible in the close term, the gravitational dance between Pluto and Neptune highlights the perplexing equilibrium of forces that govern the celestial bodies within our solar neighborhood. Beyond its scientific significance, Pluto's exploration offers practical insights for future space exploration missions. The New Horizons spacecraft, launched by NASA in 2006, provided exceptional images and data of Pluto and its moons during its historic flyby in 2015. The mission revealed staggering details of Pluto's surface features, including mountains of water ice and vast plains of frozen nitrogen, enhancing our understanding of the geological processes shaping the distant dwarf planet. The success of the New Horizons mission highlighted the technological advancements and collaborative efforts required for deep space exploration. By studying Pluto and its moons, scientists gained valuable insights into the diversity of planetary bodies and the environmental conditions present in the outer regions of the solar system. These discoveries have implications for future missions to explore other dwarf planets and trans-Neptunian objects, advancing our knowledge of planetary formation and evolution. Pluto's status as a dwarf planet has also sparked discussions about the criteria used to define celestial bodies within the solar system. The debate over planetary definitions reflects broader questions about scientific classification systems and the evolving nature of astronomical knowledge. While Pluto meets some criteria for planetary status, such as orbiting the Sun and having sufficient mass for self-gravity, its classification as a dwarf planet highlights the diversity of planetary bodies beyond the traditional 8 planets. The study of Pluto's orbit broadens our understanding of celestial mechanics and planetary dynamics in the outer reaches of the solar system. By studying the interactions between Pluto, Neptune, and other celestial bodies, scientists can gain insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. These insights are essential for developing theories about the origins of our solar system and understanding the processes that shape planetary bodies over billions of years. Pluto's discovery and subsequent exploration have also contributed to our understanding of planetary migration and the formation of the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune populated by small icy bodies. Examining Pluto's orbit provides clues about the gravitational interactions that may have influenced the movement of planets during the early stages of solar system formation. These studies offer valuable insights into the dynamics of planetary systems and their evolution over cosmic timescales. The exploration of Pluto's orbit is intertwined with broader questions about the habitability of distant worlds and the potential for life beyond Earth. While Pluto itself is unlikely to harbor life as we know it due to its harsh environment and extreme cold, the study of icy moons like Europa and Enceladus has raised intriguing possibilities for microbial life in subsurface oceans. Understanding the conditions necessary for life to thrive in extreme environments informs our search for habitable exoplanets and enhances our appreciation of Earth's unique biosphere. Pluto's orbit also provides a natural laboratory for studying the effects of space weathering and cosmic radiation on planetary surfaces. The discovery of methane and nitrogen ice on Pluto's surface suggests ongoing geological processes that may be driven by solar radiation and other external factors. By studying these processes, scientists can gain insights into the evolution of planetary atmospheres and the factors that shape surface features over geological timescales. The study of Pluto's orbit challenges our understanding of planetary formation and evolution by providing insights into the diverse range of celestial bodies that populate our solar system. By studying the gravitational interactions and orbital dynamics of Pluto and its moons, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the processes that shape planetary systems and their evolution over cosmic timescales. In conclusion, the exploration of Pluto's orbit represents a milestone in our exploration of the outer solar system and beyond. By unraveling the mysteries of Pluto's formation, orbital dynamics, and geological history, scientists can gain valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. These insights are crucial for advancing our understanding of celestial mechanics, planetary dynamics, and the broader context of planetary science. Pluto continues to inspire scientific inquiry and exploration, offering a window into the complexities of planetary systems and the diverse range of celestial bodies that populate our solar system.